still 218 K. So, yep. And existing home sales is the next metric at 10 o'clock, which is shift change, coincidentally enough. All right. Back to you, coach. If you're
Thank
ready.
you, thank you, thank you. Check, check, check. Everybody hear me okay?
Yes.
All right, let's get this party started. We're live on all the things. All right, all right, all right. There we go. Looks good. While we're waiting for all the systems to go live, as always, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric Smoto, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Same with all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
I've been doing this for 2 years.
Oh, wow. Good horn.
Quack, quack.
Good horn. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Beep, beep.
Thank you. Beep, beep. Thank you so much. Welcome to the new, all of our new free members that came in yesterday. We appreciate you all being here. Congratulations on a couple people got the diamond membership yesterday. Genius. Genius. I have that open again today if you are interested. Today, if you are interested, 5K, get in all the goodies right away. Hold on, I got to change one thing on my system. Okay, there we go. If you guys are interested in joining us, go to americandreamtrading.com. Thank you, everybody, for watching on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Craigslist, OF, Winamp. Rumble, Kick, all the things. Sorry, a little distracted. Got to make sure my puppers is okay. If I have to run out the door, we have a vet appointment tomorrow, but if I have to go out the door, it means I'm going to have to take her in. So, good stuff. And they're going to have to sedate her, they already said. So this might be the little baby dog's last hoorah here. I don't know. We'll see.
Praying for you, Coach.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Appreciate
being here,
you.
man.
We'll see
Yeah,
how it
I
goes.
know that's rough.
She's just chilling next to me. Could be the last rodeo. Could be our last stream together, Punky Dunks. All right, 9:07.
Love your face, Coach.
Appreciate you guys. Love you too, man. We'll get through it. Life
Yeah.
happens, and it's just all part of the experience. Am I right?
That's it.
So, all right, we got about 23 minutes to the bell. See if we can get through today, and see if we can put some bread in your pockets and educate some peoples. That would be great. We got a couple new people heading towards $1 million goal. I love hearing that. So I'm excited. Dave, our very own training moderator, David, in here. He's well on his way now to that $1 million. F2, if he keeps trading the way he does, it ain't going to be long now. I think he's at, what, $250,000 now? Something crazy like that, close to. So keep it up, gang. You guys are doing a great job. Excuse me. Didn't F2 record another big day yesterday? I think it was. Let me look. I'm always trying to keep track of how everybody's doing. Scott T, I see you too, man. You're crushing it over there.
He said in the chat, he said Tuesday was his big day.
Was it? It was Tuesday. Okay.
Yeah. He took yesterday off. He was telling us in the in the aftermarket. Which
Yeah.
that's another cool thing. You know, I asked him every now and then if he wouldn't mind going over his charts, what he's thinking in his trades, what he's looking at, and he said last night he would do it. So
Oh, very
that's
cool.
really cool.
Yeah, that would be something amazing in that aftermarket, right?
Yeah, he wants to give back to the community, and you gotta love that, you know?
Yep, absolutely. Bay, we have no idea what you're talking about. We are, just so you know, Bay, over on TikTok, we are one of the most successful startup companies in U.S. history. We have retired over 250 people. We have literally made hundreds of millions of dollars for our members, as reported by our members. Don't come at me for receipts. It's just what they tell me. So yeah, Bay, wherever you're getting your information, I don't know what to tell you. Somebody go ahead and mute Bay, Bey, over on TikTok and force them to watch the rest of the stream. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think you got the wrong stream, partner. We are legitimately, I would say, some of, if not the best stock market traders and trainers this world has ever seen. So I think you're confused with some other group. You got the wrong one. But I appreciate
Or he's
everybody being here. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. If you guys want to join us for free, by the way, go to americandreamtrading.com. americandreamtrading.com. You can join us for absolutely free. Thank you. You get 1 week if you join our premium crypto or futures membership. You can also try us out for a week. Oh, awesome. I see you, Scott, over in the Profits and Loss area. I see you, partner. So if you guys want to try us out for absolutely free, we have that available as well. After the first week, they will renew at the regular rates. Right now, premium memberships will renew at $125 a month, crypto $50, and futures $250 a month. This is the stream where you dance for roses, right? Absolutely, right? Dance, dance, monkey, dance. There you go. There you go. I should see all those roses for a single penny just flying in right now. I did the dance for you, did all the things. That's great.
It's just great to see the thrill of a young businessman when you just show him a few minutes of ADT and he's listening to you for a few minutes and it just puts a light on his face and he's joining.
Yep, there you go. Appreciate you all being here. We have about 24,000 members here at American Dream Trading. I'd say about 12,000 are active quality members that are constantly involved and engaged. Listen, I tell you guys all the time, right? If you want to get ahead, you need to be involved. If you want to just sit on the sidelines and stay in your same life, just stay there. Just sit right where you're at, right? If it's not, there goes the camera. Say if it's not working out for you, you need to get involved. Don't just sit there anymore. Get active in this community. Ask the questions. How can I help? Is the first thing I would be looking for. I'm serious, by the way. If you want to help yourself, help others as well, right? That is the secret to our success. People helping people. I cannot stress that enough. You will find really fast that once you are willing to sacrifice your own time, the things that you have, right, to help others, God or whatever you believe in, right, will bless you tenfold. So bring everybody up and they'll bring you with them. That's all I've been trying to do here. It's just like my football and baseball teams. I do the same thing. It's like lead by bringing people up, right? And then you will go up with them. So keep rocking and rolling. Love all your faces. We're going to have another amazing day. Listen real quick. Make sure you guys chart out at least these 4 things when you start your day, okay? So I want pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. That's a great place to start Now, obviously, throughout the day, there's going to be other things, right? It's going to show us what it wants to do. If you're part of one of our paid memberships, right, the premium or VIP or gold, etc., then you guys will have access to our pre-market setup ideas. That is where we will give you those key critical areas you can use at the bell and throughout the day. But all of that information is out there. Listen, again, if you just want to try us for free, come on over to our website. It's our name, .com. It's pretty basic. What's your website? Let me think. What would their website name be, right? Just go to that website, click the things, do the stuff, do all the things. We'll get you guys
Sometimes you got to
started.
spell it out.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's just crazy, right? It's wild. I get that so often. Well, what's your website? Well, I don't know. What do you think it could possibly be? What do you think? I don't know. I'm going to go out on a limb here. Could it be americandreamtrading.com? It could be. Could be. Right? Could Google us. You could look us up. You could type in anything about us. You'd probably find us real quick, right? So anyways, I appreciate you all being here. It's been a great week. Has anybody made any money this week? We've had 3 days in the market so far. Has anybody made any money?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Made
Thank
money
you.
every day.
Yes. Wow. Nice.
All thanks to you and Coach and ADT, baby.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Love your face. Check is in the mail. Check
Yes,
is in
Coach
the
sold
mail.
my swing trade for 40%.
Oh, wow. Nice job. Good job. Love to hear it. We've already got some hot stock picks running this morning. I'm going to give you guys another free one here. Check out PSTV. That's Plus Therapeutics. It's been running all morning long. PSTV. Now listen, when you hear us say one of these hot stock picks, just know that it's extremely volatile typically, right? It's extremely volatile for the most part. They're usually going to be like low float, meaning not a lot of shares out there to be traded on. A lot of times they'll be penny stocks. Not always a penny stock is anything $5 and under. They're not always penny stocks, but most of the time they are, just because they'll get some sort of news catalyst or something that, right, is going to make them pop off. So anytime you guys hear us say that, or if you're new over there listening to us and you hear us call out one of those hot stock picks, just be careful. All right. Even more dangerous in the pre-market or the post-market, because you can't put any stops in place. So if you guys are looking at buying anything in the pre-market or the post-market, you have to use a mental stop. There is no mechanical stop you can put in place. So please be careful. Also, those hot stock picks, those are not buy and hold forever. Okay, that is for the same day. Day trading it for the same day only. And we put all of this verbiage, right, all the legal language, so that nobody gets burned up on those. They're very volatile, they're very risky, and they are not meant to be held forever, okay? Now, a lot of times when we call out these hot stock picks, you will see them run for a while. That's just because news, right? We'll have more news, and then it'll continue to run, and then it'll have more news. So if we call it a hot stock pick, you could see it for several weeks or months after the fact. But again, our intention is not, PSTV is going to the moon today, and you're all like, oh, how long should I hold it? We're not holding it. I need you to understand that. That's not a hold trade. That is today and today only, okay? I remember when we first started this, and we were telling everybody this information, and we got into one called iLag.
I was just going to say, should I
Yeah.
get out of iLag?
Yeah, one of our members, right? It wasn't one of our members. It was a TikTok person. It's like, when should we get out of iLag? It was like 2 weeks later. Like, what are you still doing in it? So anyways, speaking of the rules, make sure you guys follow all of the rules when you come in here. All I ask is you come in with an empty cup, ready to listen, ready to learn. I don't care how many groups you've been in. I don't care how long you've been in trading in the stock market. Listen, if you were a multimillionaire and you were one of the greatest stock market traders on earth, you wouldn't be floating around looking for a community to join. So let's just be honest with ourselves, right? If you were the greatest rock star on earth, like the people that I have created, you wouldn't be out there looking for a group. So if you are here and you are watching me, that means you are actively looking for a community to help you out. Well, guess what? You found the one. This is the place. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I have been a stock market trader for 33 years. I have professionally now trained over 1 million people in the doors, just like you are now watching me. We have some of the greatest success stories that have ever come out of any, and I mean any, stock market trading scenario you have ever heard. Ever. We do all that right here at American Dream Trading. Now, remember the risks, though. 90 to 95% of all stock market traders, they say, will lose money in the stock market. Do you want to know why? They don't have a mentor. There is no risk management. They will just go in like it's a casino, lose $2,000, never be seen from again. Well, of course, you're going to become a statistic. Of course, that's how it's going to happen, right? My Lucy, go to americandreamtrading.com. I appreciate you being here. Says, I want to learn. Well, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much, right? So, a couple of rules we live by in here without exception. You don't get to break these rules. You don't get to make up your own rules if you're not following these set of rules. You must follow these rules. You cannot do anything else in here. I don't even want to see your face unless you can follow these rules. You understand me? Number one, do not use real money. If you are in training or if you're a newer trader, do not use real money. I don't care what these fake little kid gurus say. You should not be investing money into something you are just now learning about. There's no such thing as you'll get better because you have skin in the game and all. Stop the BS. It should cost you nothing, right? At all in the stock market while you are training. Zero, zilch, nada. Anybody telling you any different is absolutely full of crap. I need you to understand that. That is number one. Number two, do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. It is the most volatile time. So while you are learning, you will get your face ripped off because it'll be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So don't do that. Make sure you journal every single day. This is for your own mindset. By the way, we're almost done finalizing that journal. We will be releasing it, I'm hoping by Friday. So the team is working hard on it. We ran into a couple bugs because we want it to be an active PDF file where if you guys click a link, it takes you to the next link. You click that one and so on and so forth. So we're working. We had it, but some of the little pieces, the links, the backlinks on it are broke. So we're trying to fix that. So bear with us. We're almost there. All right. So journal, very important. Make sure you go in with small position sizes. All right. Don't come in with giant amounts of contracts and all this other crap, right? It should be very tiny. This will help minimize your risk. So it's small position sizes that allows the runners to run and lets you stop out the losers. And again, all of this is about risk management. It's not about making money. None of these rules say make money. They just don't at all. We're trying to help you manage the portfolio, right? This is a whole process that we're talking about in here. So please listen to what I'm telling you. I will save you a lot of trouble. Also, you must have stops on each and every trade. Again, if you have ever heard anyone anywhere, I don't give a crap what they say, and I don't care how long they've been trading. I don't even care how much money they've made because I know for a fact I've created people that have made more money than they have. I never want to hear out of these fake gurus' mouths to say to not have a stop. You must have a stop on each and every trade. Stop listening to these little fake gurus trying to sell you some sort of cheesy, course. Stop. I make actual tens of millionaires. You understand me? Stop the BS. Make sure you have a stop on all of your trades. Again, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. I'm serious. Yes, the markets have gone down the last 2 days. Markets are going to go up and markets are going to go down. This is why I will discuss with you all the time on how to hedge your longs, what to do in any market condition, right? I will teach you how to trade if the market is going up, down, or sideways. Then we'll go into channels. I don't care what the market does. None of it should phase any of you. If you're looking at long-term accounts, stop panicking, right? The market goes up, the market goes down. That's just the way it is. We've had nothing but the biggest bull run in stock market history, right? And then it's like 2 days red, like, oh no, here we go. It's the end of the world. Stop. For crying out loud, you should have already made so much money, right? That it's okay when we have 2 red days that are barely red, not even 1%. So just stop. Everybody be cool, right? But my portfolio, it didn't grow today and it has for the last 6 months straight. Stop. Stop it, right? Everybody be cool. It's the first thing that'll happen. Coach, what do you think is now going to happen? Stop. Right? It's okay. What has historically happened with the stock market over time and forever? Sorry, I got to get my camera active again. There it goes. The stock market has always and forever, since the history of the stock market, only ever gone up. Ever. It has never gone down and stayed down ever in the history of the stock market. So please stop freaking out. Thank you. Those of you that listen to me about hedging your longs, you're loving me right now. Am I right? Those of you that don't listen to me, you're doing what you've done probably in the past when I say something, you're like, I really wish I would have listened to the coach. It's the same scenario over and over and over again. Apple, 1,000 contracts Apple on yesterday. Did you guys see how it went down? All day long. It ended at 0.83%. But how many times did it tap down here at this 251.25? See it? All day long. Who made money on Apple yesterday? Called it all day yesterday. Told you to hammer it. Who made money on Apple yesterday?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yes, coach.
There we go. Thank you. Yes, coach, I made $1 million. Thank you. Could be a little more excited about it. Come on now. You'd be all right.
$1 million.
There you go. Good. Anyways, good job, everybody. Speaking of one of my millionaires, posted this morning. He's already up $50,000. Nice job. It's a nice way to start the day. Nice. One of my newer millionaires. Just created that out of the last, what, 10 months? Beautiful. Turned a $700 account into now over $10 million and climbing fast. Good job, Bob. Abdul says, I lost all my capital. I want to join, but I don't have capital. Well, you're in the right place. Guess what, Abdul? You know how much it costs to join us? $0. Abdul, 0. How does that sound for you? Huh? What do you think of that, partner? You can't get any cheaper than that. Am I right? It's 0. Ding. But coach, there has to be a catch. There's not. It's 0. But how could you be doing all this for free? Because I am. Well,
Coach,
it's not going
can
to
you
last
pay us
long.
tomorrow?
Yeah. It's not going to last long, though, right? Well, I've been doing it for 3 years. So, All this training and education over here has been free. I've been live every day, every single day for 3 years for free every single day. Oh, thank you for all those the likes over there. I appreciate it. Thank you for the new follows. You guys are awesome. We got 1 minute to the bell. 1 minute to the bell. Remember, check out the Diamond Lifetime membership today. Get it. Get it now. It's $5K, unlimited access to all membership services, 40 seconds. If you guys want to join the premium membership, you'll have access to Zoom from 8:45 to 4 o'clock, where we have over 300 people in here right now you can train and trade with. You'll get access to the membership lounge, the hot stock pick, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and the videos on demand. I would recommend you start with the VIP membership if you're able to do that, that you have training every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP advanced training videos. It's over 50 videos to get you started. Also, the trading view indicators are included with that. Otherwise, if you guys have a VIP, you can upgrade to a VIP Gold. With that, you'll get the live Apple chat with David over there, who's working on $1 million. Now over there showing you exactly what he does in the live Apple chat. I know we're live. Give me 1 second. You'll also get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, the breakout rooms, which right now is every Tuesday, Thursday, VIP Gold Lounge, the Gold newsletter. Everything will be recorded for you. Thank you so much. And by the way, all of that is included with the Diamond Lifetime membership. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. By the way, hopefully you guys can hear and see everything okay. I didn't even do a sound check. But I guess everything is okay.
Audio's good.
Thank you. The bell.
Why is at support right now?
The bell sounded somewhere, but it didn't go through my headset. I have no idea. Did you guys hear the live bell that I rang it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Because
So
I
Spy
didn't.
is at support right now.
All right, thank you. Yep, Spy is all the way down on 657.30, which was pre-market low.
Yeah.
Sentiment so far today, obviously, is a red day. Does that mean it's going to stay there? Nope. But right now, whole market is downside. Whole market right now is downside. Watching for a bounce right here on SPY. If that breaks through, I'm going to short that. Looking for a little bit more pull below that 657. Remember not to mirror or mimic my trades because I am live trading with a real live account. It's just giving you different trading ideas. Never mirror or mimic anybody, by the way. If you see anybody talking about that garbage, yeah, don't do that. It's just so you guys can be watching it. Oh, can I copy your trades? Don't do that. And if anybody's trying to sell you that crap, run away from them because they're absolute trash. They're trash bags if they're doing that. They're trying to scam a buck out of you, so don't do that. Learn how to trade. Stopped out on this. Must have been too tight. Where is my sound going? There we go. Now I'll be able to hear it. There it goes. There goes the rebound. Thought it was going to have more pull down there, but obviously didn't. That's why we have our stops in place, right, ladies and gentlemen? I was looking for a bigger pull down there. Maybe I just short this and open this wide up. But trade the trades, not your bias, right? Apple popped at the open and then pulled back. Waiting to see what SPY wants to do here. SPY bounced off of 657.13. Let me know if you guys see any hot stock picks or anything else running. Also, any 2-minute EWOs, I want to know about them on
Tesla
the
second
first
red EWO
indicator, if we can. Thank you.
breaking below yesterday low.
Thank you.
I was about to say that. Yep.
NVIDIA first green EWO.
Thank you. Just remember, don't be getting into those EWOs if they're in a sketchy area, right?
Yeah. Tesla look good.
All right, thank you. There goes the pullback I was looking for. There's 280, 290. There's $300 on that trade. See if it's got more to give. Protected the trade. It's now a free trade the rest of the day. I want to let this work and see if we can get more out of this. SPY back down below that 657.38. There we go. Now up 400 on the trade. See if it's got more. 405. Looking good. Looks like there's the bounce. So I'm going to mark this. It's the first area it's showing me. SPY continuing to crash. Anybody in those SPY shorts with me?
Yep,
Thank
I
you.
am. Coach.
Yes.
Thank you. There it goes. There's
Apple is on the
500.
double bottom.
Thank you. There's 600 on the trade. There's 650 continuing. SPY still crashing out. What do we got for support on SPYs? Anybody have it to the left? I haven't had a chance yet.
Had a
Anybody?
huge gap to the
You're on it right now,
downside, up
Coach.
to
60.
255.
Somebody tell me what is support?
Right, you're on it right now. And then
Okay.
after that, 656 even.
Okay, thank you. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. There's 770, 795. Nice trade. There it goes. There's 900. Who's still in the trade?
I'm with you, boss.
Thank you. Should be
I'm in here.
thank you. Almost at 1,000. There's 975. There's 1,000. 1,030. We're over $1,000 now on this trade. Looking good. Still to the downside. Everybody should have the best trade of your life right now. Nice job.
I was looking at previous days on that level. There is not a lot of resistance on the downside for SPY
it.
until 655.
Thank you. Just took 1,000 on that trade. Did everybody see that trade we did together?
Yeah.
Is that a no? Anybody? Come on. Where are you at? I need
Yes,
the energy
yes,
today.
yes,
Let's
yes.
go.
2.5% of my total account.
Oh.
Nice. Way to go.
Yes. Thank you for speaking up. I'm like, am I in here alone? I'm struggling today.
I
Oh,
won't
no,
leave
you're
you out
not.
there
I
when I'm
need-
home, brother. I got
No,
you.
you know
Thank
what we're
you.
doing. We're focused, dude.
Thank you. I need
We're
the
here.
energy today, man. I'm struggle busting. I need you guys today.
know.
I now confirmed. I
We're
just
here.
need to
We
quit my
got
damn
you.
job.
Yes. Good job. Good job. Nice work, everybody. Yeah, I just got out because I saw it stalled down here. So I'm just going to wait for the next pull. But still no reason to get out. Looking really good.
What do you think of SPRC, Coach? Move to the
Um,
upside.
Okay.
It's riding the 9.
All right. You guys see where I got out here, where it stalled? Let me look at it for you, partner. But you guys, you should be getting rich right now off of SPY. SPRC, yeah, it's kind of jammed up here. Look for the break of 615.
Yeah, I thought it was getting jammed up too.
Yep. But it's got good momentum right now, so.
has 27 million in volume, when usually it's 2.5 million.
I gotcha. Nice job. Why? Good question, Jim. Jim, now sometimes I do one or the other, right? Sometimes I'll move a tight stop. Sometimes I'll take the money. The reason I didn't do it with a tight stop is because I'll give up a couple $100 to do that. So in this case, I took the guaranteed 1,000 and walked, right? Because I saw it breathe back. And obviously that was a great decision because look at what the candles are doing now, right? I mean, I got it literally as soon as it stalled right here. And if it breaks back down below that area, I'll hammer it again. But yeah, sometimes I do that. Sometimes I use a trailing stop. If I had more contracts in, I mean, I only did one mini, right? But if I had more contracts in, I could shed, right? That would just be a shedding point if I had more, right? That's why I told everybody it's still great to the downside. Just collect as it goes. Take some of the weight off. That way, if it ever does bounce and rebound, you're not like, oh, I can't believe. We collect as it goes, everybody, right?
And $1,000 in 9 minutes. It's not bad.
Yeah, right. It's better than a sharp stick in the eye.
Is PRC halted to the upside?
Thank you. Who's making money on these SPY puts? It's one of the greatest opens in stock market history for the downside. Everybody knew what to do.
Me.
Thank
On
you.
NQ. Coach, on NQ.
Oh, oh, you're getting paid. Thank you. Because you were in it with me. I had one mini that made $1,000.
Yeah, nice.
Normally I do 20 of those. Very nice, very nice. Still pulling. Everybody's still making that fat loots. Who's still making the fat loots?
I am.
Still in it.
Thank you. Oh, it's got stopped out. Too tight of a stop.
%10 total account so far.
Good job. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. Remember what I said at the beginning of the market? I said so far sentiment right was downside, but I always want to make sure you guys don't trade that bias. But guess what? It's been respecting the 9 all day. So guess what that means? Let it go all day, right? Okay, great.
Yeah, but 60.55 might be a support level there.
Oh, you know what? Speaking of that, let me look at what
Told
the
you.
are.
SPRC is in.
Let the runners run.
Yeah, let it go.
I told you there was a gap down to 655.
No worries. I got you guys. Nice job. Thank you. Good calls.
SPRC is one of the first to start the whole quantum thing. They launched that quantum computing enabling 3D protein modeling. That's the first news that made it pop.
Thank you. 655.50. I see one is right here. One is right here. One is right here. All right, there's all your levels. Let me get back to where we're at. All the levels are right here. It was 655.36, 655 down to 654.25. So there's all your next levels. There you go. You're all set now. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're not even in this, coach?
No. Made the 1,000 and just kind of let her do its thing and let you guys make that money.
18%.
Good.
I'm kind of kicking myself now.
18% total account.
You're still in it, right? Yeah, nice job, Nana. You're still in it, right, partner? Everybody's still in it?
No, I got out when you did. Actually, a little before you did.
No. Remember
I
when
just
I got
sold
out?
half.
Hold on. Remember, everybody, when I got out, I said there's no reason to get out here yet, right?
Yeah, but I sold half.
Still work. Working on my listening skills, coach.
All right.
Locking some profit already.
Yeah, let it go. And I said after the fact, listen, as long as it stays under the 9, don't touch it. Just collect as you go, gang, right?
I heard that part.
Yep. I only had 1, so how much can I collect as I go? 1, right?
Same here.
Yeah.
You raise your stop every
that's just
time it
yeah, I
change
got
channel.
Looking back at it in retrospect, I'm
Yep.
going, you know,
Yeah.
just jerk your stop up a little bit and call it a day.
That's right.
But oh well,
Yep,
hindsight, 2020.
Yeah, I'm back in it now.
Yeah, if you think about it, who's going to be buying at this point?
Yep. Just let it run. Have your stops. See, stopped out. Just gave some back. Yeah, gave back $120 off that. Keeping my stops tighter though, because it's either just going to continue to bleed or it's going to bounce hard, right? So everybody should still be making money. Everybody's collecting as it goes. What's the shedding technique? How much do you guys get out of?
50%.
Yep.
Yeah.
50, 20,
Wish I've done
20, 20, 10.
Yep. 50, 20, 20, 10.
If you can get really good at that, and I know it's hard sometimes, you'll be way better off. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Here comes
SPRC unhalted to the upside.
Thank you. Hot stock pick, SPRC, unhalted to the upside. Thank you. Looking nice now, 78%. All right. SPY doing its normal breathe back off of that major sell-off. Now I'm going to watch for resistance. And then I'll short it again. Unless it shows me otherwise, right?
That was a good thing that I saw half. Look at that.
That's right. That's why we collect as we go, right?
It was getting closer to the 655. I'm like, I wanted to get a good fill on that thing. So I was like, okay, sold.
Yeah, and 655, I didn't have support again until 654.24. So everybody saw a big gap.
Yeah. So I was like, okay. That was beautiful textbook spy thing.
Yep. So now I'm looking for a pullback right here. Shorting it. There's another 200. Stay down there. Only got 100 out of it.
And every all big 7, they all doing the same thing. So they all rebounded a little bit.
Did everybody see I was able to capitalize the short off that 9?
Yes, sir.
Yep,
Better than
yep.
trying to get in at the bottom, right?
Yep.
Taking notes.
Yep. Now this candle showing me it wants to go higher, so I'm going to have to watch this candle. If I see this candle go above previous candle, I'm going to really watch it. But right now it's stuck on the 9, so this is still a short until this candle pops above this candle. So this is still a short, but I'm not going to trade it yet. I'm just going to wait, be patient here with a tighter stop. Now remember, I'm scalping.
Dead solid in the middle of that control candle right next to it.
Yeah, if this pops up here, it'll have a nice run. Needs a little more. I'm in it long.
I'm selling 2 more right now.
I'm in a tight stop. There we go. There's 70, there's 80, there's 90, 75. I'll take it, $75. It's like taking candy from a baby.
100% coach. Oh my gosh. You're absolutely right.
Now waiting to see off this candle. See how this is indecisive right here. I want to wait and see. And when we got the 21 backbone coming right up on it. And then we'll see if it gets shoved right back down for new low a day, right? VWAP's right there. So we've got 2 areas. Comes up to this 21. Depending on how the candle looks, I will short it again for a quick scalp. See if it blows through or if it fades. If this starts to fade, this is a lot of momentum. I'm not in a trade yet. I'll tell you when I am, just so you guys can watch. Oh, that was a new candle high. This thing's, she's popping still. It's making
I'm selling everything I have left.
It's making a run to VWAP now. Look at this. Is this where it stalls? This is technically the 21 now. Shorting it. 75. There's 90. There's 125. Come on, baby. A little more. I'll take it. There's another 90. Oh, I love my job. So funny.
That's some scalp, coach, you're doing, yeah?
Yep. That's what I do.
Beautiful scalp.
Yep. Off this 21. Now I'm waiting for this candle to see what it's going to do. Drake, done for the day. Good job. Hopefully you made some fat loots. Sitting on the 21. Looking for a pullback. This was a nice candle, but you've got the 9 here, so I'm not touching this. You see how it's in between the 9 and the 21? Yep, coming to VWAP. See if we're going to get a pullback on VWAP or not. Now does everybody recognize, though, why we collect as we go? Right? If you were thinking that was going to sink forever, you'd be like, oh, no. And I bet you're glad, partner, you took that 1,000 with me now if you didn't know how to manage all this, right?
Yep.
See? It didn't go much longer, did it?
I'm
Saving
telling
my
you,
biscuits.
655. Coach, you froze?
Longing it. Nope. I was looking for the trade. Okay, there it goes. There's 70. There's 150. Move my stop. Get 100 out of it. That's why I'm always trying to look to make $100 out of the trade. If you guys ever watch how I do that. There's 150, 120. Boom, I'll take another 100. Now that we're above VWAP, SPRC touch 765. Now back to VWAP. Let me check on Apple. Oh, nice pullback here. Oh, that was a beautiful pullback off VWAP. Too late to the party, though. So we're dancing back on this 9. Remember, it's going to ping pong, right? If it can't hold on VWAP. If it cannot hold on VWAP, we'll be looking for it to try to make its way all the way back downside, right? See if it's got more or it's going to bounce. I'm in the short. 45. Come on. I need a little more. 65, 80. There we go. Free trade. Boom. There it is. 175, 220, 275, 300. Moving my stop. 320. 305, 290, gonna guarantee myself 250 and sold. I knew that one was going to get stopped right out. I knew it as soon as I saw this candle stop. I was like, ah! Good job. Who's making money? Yeah. Nice job. Good job. Now, this candle's kind of dancing around the same area, but this is still a short. Remember, if you can't hold a VWAP, what did I say would happen?
All the way back to the
Go to
bottom.
the bottom.
All the way
There
It
you
would
go.
back.
crash out, make new lower day.
That's right. That's what it's trying to do, right? Come on, bleed a little more. Ah.
I have a 4-hour gold line right here on NQ. That's what I
What's the exact number?
right around 455.
Yeah, because it should be the bottom of your wick right now.
24,455. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll mark it. Appreciate you. Bam. I'll make it gold level right now. Ding.
Yeah, 655 is.
Yeah, that 655 is going to be everything today because
It's
without
everything in SPY.
without it's going to have a big gap down. So everybody that's watching, welcome. This is American Dream Trading. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I have been trading in the stock market for 33 years. I have professionally trained now over 1 million people. 1 million people. Good job. We are one of the largest and fastest growing stock market education companies the world has ever seen before. Appreciate you all. Looking for a pullback here again below that gold level. Looking for SPY to make them lower lows. Come on, keep going down there now. I want to see that break, that 655. That would be amazing.
Just by looking at what the other Big 7 are doing, I think SPY's gonna be on consolidation mode for a little bit before deciding what to do.
We'll see.
Just my opinion.
We got 4 minutes to the bell. I think it's going to get
That too.
volatile. I think we're going to get volatility here in a minute. The only reason I'm saying that is we haven't had consolidation at all yet, right? If you look at it,
Yeah.
it was straight down to 945, bounced all the way up to 952, came all the way back down. I think we're going to have a move here in a minute. So
Yeah, I think you're right. I think
Yep.
in about 3 minutes we're gonna figure out what's going to happen.
Yep, I think we'll get it before that. I don't think it's going to sit here.
Right.
That's
gonna be
okay.
interesting.
I like volatile days. Come on, bring it. Let's
Oh
go.
yeah.
Not sponsored by Diet Mountain Dew. Time to get a refreshing glass of Diet Mountain Dew. Everybody, if you got, drink them. Smoke them if you got them.
Already had my 44 a Diet Dew this morning.
Oh, very nice. Come on, baby. Let's go. Pull down here. Pull. Let's go. Pull. Come on. I want to see it. Come. Come on. I know you want to. Come on. I see you. Come on. I see you. Yep. Let's
Go
go.
ahead, SPY.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go right now. Come on. Come on. I'll hammer your face. Let's go.
Allez, on y va, ma petite chérie d'amour. SPY, on se casse la gueule.
There, you guys hear that? Putting that.
Trying to talk to SPY for you, Coach.
You putting that French voodoo on it.
Live witchcraft.
Yeah.
Mayonnaise.
Get
Just
it.
got a housing, got 10 o'clock, a housing news, and a Fed speaker at 10.
Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, come on. A little more, and then I'm going to short you. Come on. Get below that previous candle that I'm seeing you stare at. Do it. I dare you. There it is, a minute. Shorting it. I'm going to open the stop up. Come on, go, 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 go. There it is. Bang, a minute. There's 100. Come on, you got more. There it is. Thank you. Who's your daddy? That's 200. Guaranteed 100. Boom, I'll take it. There's another 100. Right in your mouth.
Get it, coach.
Yep, just like that.
hell's
Yeah,
wrong with you?
baby.
Woo!
Get it.
Ride that donkey. So nice.
Shut up, futures.
Yeah, nice
Coming
job.
up on a double bottom.
Inside joke.
Yep, thank you. Drink
Change
that
1 minute.
Kool-Aid, futures.
Shift change 1 minute.
Thank you. "30 seconds, gang, to more volume. Everybody be cool, right? You bet your bottom dollar I'm going to put in a little something something on it just before it happens, right? It's a 50-50 shot up or down, right?
Shift change.
Thank you. And no. I just went long. There it goes. I'll take it. There's 300. Locked in 150. Can anybody tell me why, if I had a 50-50 shot, why I longed instead of short? Because it's a double bottom. Shh.
Because we're at the bottom.
The double bottom, right?
Yeah.
You betcha. Made another 150 off that move. Not bad. You can't get rich making $100 a trade. Really? Do it 50 times today.
Shh, quiet. We're hunting double bottoms.
That's right. We're hunting bottoms here. Now, I don't know what the news is, so I'm not trading anything right now. I'm going to wait a second. I'm going to watch these candles and see what happens. If I get volume, that starts right there. You see that spike? Yep, I'm in it. See if I can catch the tail end of it. Nope, stopped out. I'm okay. That is why I have that stop every single time. Right? That's what is it? $60 risk. Look at this. Look at that. Textbook double bottom, though, anyways, without the news, right? Yep, I did still have more to go. Okay. All right, I see you. There it is. 70. Come on, keep going. $60, $95. Come on, keep going. Took 50. Need more than that. Come on, baby. Look at this. Who double bottomed, blasted that monster? Tell me. We're on VWAP. Oh, this breaks VWAP to the upside. You know I'm going to long it again. Who double bottom bounced that bad boy?
I did, coach.
Thank you. Abdul, you should not be where you're at right now. I told you earlier how to join us. I don't want to see you on TikTok. You should be inside of my room for free in my Zoom session right now for free. Why do I see you typing over there? I swear, I don't know why you are over there. Go to listen, man. Go to americandreamtrading.com. Click join the community. It's free. On that, where it says join the community, click on where it says you get a week for free of premium membership. You can jump in the Zoom right now. Why are you watching on TikTok? I don't understand.
Someone's about to get their steaks eaten.
I just don't get it. Coach, how do I get the world's greatest trading? I'm just going to keep watching on TikTok instead of just doing what he says. Well, then just sit over there. Sit over there then. Sit down. I cannot even just give away money. It's so weird. Just stay over there. Just sit there and watch. Come on, looking for SPY to pop here. Give me that run to 657.38. Come on, get up there. You had a beautiful candle. Let's go. More.
Your chimes are music to my ears.
Yep, I want to see more. Come on, keep running. There you go. Come on. There it is. Protect the trade. Free trade. There it goes. Thank you. That's 100. 120. 125. 150. Do I hear 200? 195. There's 200. Thank you. Come on, keep going. I'll take it. Bam. Sold. $175. Thank you.
Coach,
nice.
thanks for everything. I got to go. My dog won't eat for the vet, so I got to bring her food, and hopefully she'll eat.
All right, partner.
So we're in the same boat. All right, I'll talk to you later.
All
Thank
right,
you,
brother. I'm with you, man.
Yep. Hey, say your prayers for me,
Yep,
please.
I will do. That's
Yep.
for Lexi, right?
All right. You got it.
Yep, will
Yep.
do, partner.
Yep. Bye.
I'm in the same boat, man. I might be running out the door when I get done. All right. Who's making money off this, right? I said if it breaks VWAP, you're going to long it, right?
Yeah, I'm making more money off my longs than I was on my shorts.
Yeah, this is great. And now you can ride this up to that 657.38 is going to be the next level resistance. Everybody see it from pre-market? Okay, that's a collection spot, right? Oh, remember, you can always add in. I'm shorting this. Oh, nope. Did not. Flipping the script. Along it then. $60 risk at a time. There it goes. Do you see what I did? I made my money back that I lost on the stop. But did you guys see? You got to be that fast. You can't be like him and Han and you know, ain't got time for that bullshit. Excuse my language. You're either a master scalper or you're not. And if you're not, don't do it. This is resistance. So I tried to short it up there. What it did is it said, nope. It got a big old candle and it popped. It stopped me out. I said, okay, well, then you're going to go long. Boop. I got in the long. I took it to the upside. I made back the money that the other one did, and it stopped out, and I'm okay. It was a break-even trade. This is nice to the upside now. Longing it. 95. 60. Come on. You got more. Yep, there it goes. Come on. This is a beautiful setup up here now. I'll take another 50, but damn it. Wanted to see more out of that. Who's still in that long above VWAP?
I am.
Thank you.
I am, boss.
Yes. Right? We just shed a little bit. We take in these spots. 657.38. That's where we take, right? Don't get greedy.
Right on.
I'm telling you, don't get greedy. You can always add if it gets above that area, right? On them longs. Don't get greedy, I swear. Yeah, this is showing me, right? You look at it. Look at where it's consolidating. Where did I say, right? Come on. We want to see it get out of that area and run. Obviously, whatever the news came out this morning was positive because it took a trashed market and is flipping the whole thing on its head, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's actually amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy. I love it. Now, here's what's cool about it. If you're with American Dream Trading, we wrote it all the way down and now we're writing it up. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm with you. We're headed for 12 o'clock from 6 o'clock, right?
That's right. It loves to do that, doesn't it?
It does. Mostly just watching. I'm
We
in
write them up,
small
and we-
boss, but after the one-on-one, I appreciate it. That one-on-one was incredible.
Oh, thank you, man. Do you see how I'm applying what we talk about?
I do. I see it. I see it in action, and it's mind-blowing. It is. If there's anybody out there that hasn't had one, they really ought to.
Thank you, man.
It's crazy.
I appreciate that.
Thank you again very much.
Yes, absolutely.
Gave us that nice little W pattern, Coach.
Yep, it really did. Now,
Yep.
my NASDAQ's up on VWAP, so I'm starting to come up to a critical area on mine. See it up here?
SPRC halt again.
That
the
area for
upside.
me is critical. It is? Okay, thank you. All right, SPY, because we're up in this new area, now we're going to be looking up for around 6. Yeah, closer we get to the 658 up here now. See it? If you look at the pre-market just before the bell open, that's where all that traffic is. So now that we broke 657.38, we're moving up to 658 is the next level.
It's also the 200, isn't it, boss?
It is right above it. Yep. All right, I just shorted this. There's 50. Come on, you got more. Nope. Come on. Come on, you hit VWAP. Let me see. There's the pull. There it is. There's 100, 115. Come on, keep coming. Boom, I'll take it. 90 bucks. It's like
too
Yep,
easy.
I love it. But did you guys see how I traded it off the 9 for the short? Doesn't mean it's going to stay there forever, but you guys see the way that I manipulated my stop so that I could lock in my profits no matter what it does off of this position?
Yep. Got in, got green, got out.
Yep. And if it had more, I'll just follow right with it, right? Just move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Oh my, that's right. Absolutely. Now we're up on the 200 and we're sitting at 658. This is the area ahead in pre-market, so please be careful. Right here again, here's the 200. So right here
I like
again.
to move it, move it.
So right here again, I'm going to short this. Oh, I hope I didn't miss that one. Yep, I did. I should have got it right. I was dinking around with my chart. I should have got it right here. Think about it. If I would have did it right when I wanted to, it went all the way down here, right? This is a $100 move. See it? Just like that.
Coach, is this a 2-minute EWO for SPY?
Oh my gosh. Is it? It could be. Yeah, I'm sure. You tell me. Yeah, very well. There it goes. You see how I would have shorted that off the 200?
Double top, right?
You see how I would have shorted that off that double top or off the 200 right here, gang? Yeah, you do.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Yep. I missed the boat because by the time I got it, I was in the middle of the candle. So, you know, that little bit. Here comes the pullback off the 200 on SPY. If this breaks below my VWAP, I'm going to hammer the shorts. There it is. Come on, stay below VWAP. Nope, stopped out. All right, now I'm going to get all chopped up in here. I'm going to wait. I need to look for the next setup. Gave up like 140 bucks off those last 2 trades. No reason to do that. Just wait it out. All that off the 200, right? Now I just have to be patient. Who is in VWAP though? Off the long, off of VWAP to the upside on SPY right now. That was a
I
beautiful.
did.
Yeah, that was a beautiful trade, right?
I bought in at VWAP and sold it at the 200 there, boss. So I'm out.
Yep, great job.
I put a
That was a great trade.
5% on my Roth IRA with that.
Yes, nice job. Yes, Nettie, this is live. This is not old. I'm live every day here.
SPRC hot stock pick to the upside, new high, up
Oh, I love it.
107%.
Yes, 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 yes. SPRC hot stock pick is now up, yep, 127, 132% now. Great job. Good job. It's 10:14. Speaking of those one-on-ones, if you guys are interested in getting a one-on-one with me, open up a help desk ticket. If you guys want me to mentor you for a full year, I have that available. We will meet once a week. I also have mentorships where we can meet twice a month. So I want you guys to think about something. I have people in here, right? If you've ever heard anybody that's ever had a one-on-one with me, the change you have in 1 hour session. Could you imagine me mentoring you for a full year straight, what that would look like, right? Which I've never done that before. I've never opened that up before, by the way, ever. And I mean ever. It's a lot of commitment on my side. Just to make sure one person is the greatest trader in the world, right? All right, here we go. A nice pop. Give this some room. There it goes. Nice. Come on. I'll take it. $50, but whatever. It is what it is. Little dab will do ya. Beautiful trade up there. At my next major resistance level, 658, 56 is what I've got marked. Broke through. Who's still in it above VWAP? You collected some at the collection point and or stayed in it if you were smaller.
Coach in from the bottom.
Oh, nice job.
And then I got out and then got back in again on half of it.
Yes. Nice. So choice, right?
Never thought I was a SPY trader until the last couple of weeks.
Yep. Still set up for success here. Look how much SPY ran from down here all the way down to 655. And look at where we're at now, right? All that is within the last 20 minutes too. You see the difference?
It's absolutely crazy, Coach.
Yeah, that's 20 minutes.
It came back so quick.
Yep.
We're at new high on NQ.
Yeah, it's crazy. Let's see what Apple's doing. Where's my Apple 2-minute EWO gang? You guys hanging in there? You guys have had like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
Watching the paint dry.
Right.
Huh?
It's definitely not as nice as it was yesterday.
Yeah, right.
So, you know how I always think the vibration of the
I got it. Apple's going to make you guys work for it today, isn't it, partner?
Oh, yeah.
Putting it to the test, baby.
I might actually have to trade for an hour or an hour and a half today.
You're like, damn it.
Well, I've taken 3 scalps, and I've got my ass handed to me 2 of the time, so I'm barely green, barely green.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I definitely saw that ass whooping. I definitely saw.
Wow. And just so everybody knows, David, no pressure, David. David is about a week away from having a full year straight without a red day.
And then I was talking about it, I think in one of the one-on-one.
Yeah.
He's like, aren't you coming up to it? And I'm like, yeah. And I said, well, there's only one way. I might as well just get it out of the way. And then I think I jinxed myself because if I take another bad one today, I'm going to be red and I might call it a day.
Yeah, that's all right. Listen, you trade your trades, partner. You do what you need to do, right? You make it happen. You're staying above VWAP here, so.
Yeah.
All right.
So speaking of that, the way the chart is set up on the 1 minute, where it has not really just pulled back from that where it has all day.
Yep.
What does that mean? Does that kind of mean that they're really wanting to test the upside, or does it have any meaning?
No, if it's staying up tall, it means, yeah, there's more buyers in here right now. But what you have to remember is it'll get fatigue, meaning buyers will give up the ghost, right? If it stays up here too long, and then they'll just say, I want out, which will cause all the breaks. So if we can stay above 658.50, we're golden. We'll be looking at probably, it could end up being not just session high, but high. So I'm just watching it up here. Now I just went the opposite way. I should be shorting this very top and longing this very bottom. And instead, notice I'm in a long on the very top. So it's not the best.
Yeah, I have a gold line from the 16th where it bounced right off of that on the 4 hour at 24/6/26/50.
Thank you. Yeah, so I need to just let this one work. Still staying up nice and tall, though. I'd like to see some volume. I'd like to see some buyers come in with some volume. There we go. Let's see if I can protect this trade. There it goes. That's what I was looking for. Too tight, but that's okay, because I was in a backward trade on that. That's why I did that, by the way. I don't want to be long on the ceiling, even though it made the move. But that's the better move. Love you. And there you go. There's your pop, right? There it goes. Holy crap. Nice job. Good job. One of my members just sent me a DM. Is up 104,275 today. How'd you guys like to make over 6 figures in a single trading day? Anybody? Would you like to make $104,000 in a day?
Hell yes. Yes, sir.
Yep. Apple almost new high, 254.30. Apple looking good over there though, David, right? I told you it's bouncing off VWAP nicely, so.
Yes, sir.
Yep. He's like,
whew. Well, if you look at it, I was treating each one of the increases in the EWO as a 2-minute entry over VWAP.
Yes.
So I got in on the first one. I was able to capture some. I got on the second one. I got on the third one. So this is the third one, and I'm still holding. I've got 40 contracts on it.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's really good. You get a little bit of a.
Coach, you play the. Sorry.
Yeah, you're all right. There it goes, David.
Do you play the bounce on previous day low on NQ? Is that what you do? You play the bounce because it's a double top?
Yeah. Well, it wouldn't be a bounce; it'd be a pullback. But yes.
Well, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
A pullback.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll be looking at it when it gets up there closer for sure. Who's still in these spies that were long above VWAP?
Still holding one.
Thank you.
Still in
Isn't
it.
that nice? Nice. Dave says up
That
over
2-minute
100%.
EWO, baby.
Yeah, for the win, right?
And that's an example of crossing over, right? You're on a scalp, you're up from the bottom, and all of a sudden, hey, look.
Yeah,
it's
it
a
turned
2-minute
into,
EWO.
yeah, might as well let it go. Yep.
To the rescue.
Yep, absolutely. And that's showing momentum.
The Coach Palantir's been going straight up for a half an hour now.
Oh, good. Good.
And do you see we have the EMA cloud, the green cloud opening up there on SPY?
I don't have my trading view indicators up. Let me see if
Yeah, I think there's a place where you can get those.
Absolutely. If you guys have either futures or VIP membership, you guys can get them.
It's so weird that SPY is still down 30% on the day.
Right.
Or 0.30%.
Yeah.
Well, it took a dump during the pre-market.
It's that lack of news, right? At the end of every quarter, it just gets a little squirrely.
Yep. Sorry, that's at my house. I can hear it. It's loud out there. Normally, you guys can't hear that because I'm upstairs, but I'm in that sunroom.
I think this is the level that you had as a gold line at one time, Coach, didn't you?
659. Yeah, I believe it was 659.20. Yep. Can you guys hear that? It's pretty loud. No, I don't have a WhatsApp or Telegram. Anybody that's using that's probably a scammer, by the way. If you guys see anybody that says they're using WhatsApp or Telegram, run as fast as you can.
Yep.
That's just
true.
trash garbage. I'm being dead serious. If you see anybody that says join their WhatsApp or Telegram, they're trash. Absolute trash. They're trying to sell you on buy and sell signals. Don't buy that crap. Could you imagine today if you guys were using buy and sell signals, how bad you would have got wrecked? Right? This did a full 180. You would have got your faces. You would have lost your account. Yeah, this is another spot for pullback, isn't it? Apple continuing to climb over there. David is like, whoo-wee.
Well, and that I'm up 9% now, but it was rough. That 2 minute came back and bounced and came back and
Yes,
bounced.
right. You're like, oh, man.
Putting me through the ringer, making me work for it.
Right. Welcome from Nigeria. I see you. Good to have you here. SPY breaks this 9. I'm going to short this. Not financial tax or investment advice. I know it's against the grain, but I'm a scalper. Means my trades are quick. If we get a bounce off the 9, I'll long it because it's still wanting to stay up. Now, a lot of times if you like jump into the short right here, this is where it'll burn you. So we've got to let this come through. A lot of people start shorting right now. I'd be cautious with that. Let's see what happens off this candle first, right? Because that's right when you're like, oh, it's dumping, and you'll get in that short, but you still got 20 seconds on its own candle. So just let's see what happens. 5 seconds on next candle. Here it is, new candle. 21's right there. And the 200. There's a lot of support right there. Am I right? We got to be careful with that. I'm actually going to long this right here with a tight stop. That's a lot of support. There it goes. There's 100, 140, 150, locked in 100 to make sure I'm set for 100 so far. Here we go. 155, 165, keep going. 170, moving my stop. Lock in about 130 there. Oh, got 100. I'll take it. It's $100 trade. We see you, Richard. We're with you. Richard's over there with no internet access. We're about to send Mark in a truck over there with a steer link so I can have it roam around his yard to give him internets. SPY consolidating around this area, 658.60. I'll just move this to make it an even number. Apple looking great over there now. Much better on Apple, right? Wow. Mark says steer link for the win. Absolutely. Heck yeah. None of that mechanical failure crap. Just feed that steer. Let it roam around. Just have to make sure your fenced in area is good enough so your neighbors aren't stealing your internets. Am I right?
Runs on biofuel.
It does. It really does. Just make sure you got enough grass. Just need some grass. See that? Mark says he chased 4 of them around yesterday.
Those are roamers.
Where do you sign up for a one-on-one? Go over to, you could just open up a ticket or we'll post it in the Traders Lounge. Head over there right now. Getting a nice pop off this 21 here. Not trading this yet. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that volume come in, huh? You guys see what I was talking about being careful with shorting that, though, right?
I heard you, boss.
Yeah, it's a very dangerous spot. We got a lot of support down there with the 21 and the 200 sitting right there, so must be careful. Looking to see if we're going to get a pop here again. It's set up for a good spot, but we'll see, right? We can get this above the 9, above 658.60. I'll look at longing it again, but until then, I don't want to touch anything. This is kind of in that weird middle space, isn't it? Wow, we've got almost 100 people watching over on YouTube. Thank you all for being here. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. We have over 2,000 training videos, by the way, on YouTube. 2,000 training videos over on YouTube. Our super chats are also available if you guys are interested in the super chats. And don't forget, if you want to try us out for a week of our premium, which is stocks and options training, crypto or futures membership, go to americandreamtrading.com and get signed up. Absolutely free for a week to try us out. There we go. Getting a nice pop. There it is. A minute long. There's 80, 90. Keep going. We got a looser stop on this one. Stopped out. 40 or 50 bucks on that one. Could have opened that one up a little bit more. That was my fault. Because now we've got room for that 659 range again up there. Like, as long as we stay above this 9. Stay above this 9 here. You're going to get a big push in volume in a second on SPY. You hear the sound of my voice? It has to stay above the 9. If it does, buyers will be like, yay! So as long as we stay up above this 9 here, it's got to hold. Yes, I'm trading a live account, Ariel. Every day I trade a live account. I have for the last 3 years. Real cash account right in front of your face every single day. Without fail. Every single day I've always traded live in front of you. Here we go, testing that 9. It's interesting that it did not push all the way to the upside. That's a pattern change. I'm going to short this. There it is. There's 50, 70, 80, 95. There's 100. Moving my stop. There's 135. Boom, I'll take 100. That's a pattern change. Yes, you can make money when the market goes down as well. Correct. Yep. Come over here to americandreamtrading.com and I'll teach you how. Get over here right now. What are you waiting for? Here's your sign. You want to change your life? You sick of that 9-to-5 job? You tired of that crap? Come and see us, baby. I'll train you. Train you on something no one has ever done before. Oh, there it is. F2 says, sizing up on my Apple calls today, unfortunately at the 9-to-5. Can't play much with my ADT family. F2 made $13,000 today. Job F2. How much is your program? It's free right now. You can get a week for free. Otherwise, it's $125 a month for stocks and options to start out. Brian, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner.
What makes you call that a pattern change on SPY?
I'll tell you in a minute because I'm about to long it. Hold. In it long. There it goes. There's 80. There's 85. I'll take it for 30. Okay. Yeah, look at what it was doing. Let me put it up on the big screen. While I'm doing that, everybody make a ton of money. Thank you. All right. So here's what I'm looking at, right? Stair step up, stair step up, stair step up. Down. Tried to stair step up, pushed back. Trying to come back up again. See it right here? So this is starting to form a pattern change where before it was stair, 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 stair. And then what it should have done is it should have came down, touched a point, and then tried to make new high up here again, right? So once I saw that, that's why I was able to take advantage of it and short it again down to this 21, which is using as the backbone. 21 EMA. But I'm always looking for pattern changes. Guess what? Here's the consolidation now. See it? Does everybody see what this is doing? Look, right here, and right here. See it?
Yep. Yes, we're looking at you, Coach.
All right, thank you.
And
so
yesterday's lows right there too, just above us.
Yeah, what was previous day low?
Yeah, it just broke above it.
Did it? Okay. Those are huge numbers, by the way, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
And on the 2-minute, there's the 200.
Oh, nice. So there you go. Now remember, we're coming back up to that 659.15, which is where it pushed before. I had 659.12 before it did all this, but you can see it's 15, so I'll move it. It was right here. I want you guys to look. Previous, remember, before we enter into any trade, look left, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. See it? Okay, great.
I see it, boss. I see it.
Yep. So that's going to be resistance. We're up on a double top.
Yeah.
This is a double top up here, right? Off the open. AmericanDreamTrading.com is where you guys will all be going, and click join the community for free and make sure you verify your account or you will get clicked off. Does everybody hear me? Oh, look at Apple pulling back. Please tell me, David, you collected way the hell up there.
Yes, sir. And I was letting everybody know I posted it up where I started dropping out because we weren't picking up in volume. We tried it and it couldn't hold. So if you look at the candles after we had that big volume spike, we would have need to have seen a secondary big continuation of volume, and it dropped greatly. So I was done.
Yep. Were you able to lock in any profits today? Or
Yeah, I'm back in, and it's $629.48.
Hey. Yes.
Great job.
That's awesome.
Oh,
yeah,
way
it was
to go,
rough.
David.
My eyes feel like they're gonna bulge out of my head.
I'm going to kill these. Maybe not both lights. Well, I guess it's still. Yeah, good job, though. Listen, you know what's funny? If you think about it, you're like only $650. Could you imagine back in the day how you would have killed to make $650 in a day?
Oh yeah, especially when I did like 8 or 10 months of $30 and $50 days.
Right? Yeah, and think about this too, everybody in the room. $650 was made in an hour and 12 minutes. Right? It's not like he's been sitting in this room for 25 hours. The market's been open an hour and 12 minutes, right? So those of you that are watching, how would you like to make $600 in a little over an hour?
If I have to, coach.
I'll take it. I will take it.
So would you short this at the 659.15, boss?
Most likely it'll depend how it looks coming up there. Give me 1 second, but we'll see. Yeah, I'd have to look at it. Give me just 1 sec. Sorry, I'm typing here. Give me just a sec.
It's all right. You're the boss.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, that's tricky because all the indicators are pointing up. It's got a lot of momentum. It came right back, testing that same area, but it's tested it a gazillion times, right?
Yep.
It's an ascending channel right now, Coach, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I
That
see
you
it.
could possibly trade.
Yeah, let me see. So this is what we're looking at right here. See it?
Right.
So we're just being patient. We're waiting.
So that could be a pop or drop, right? Because it's
Correct. Yep.
to the upside, but it is at a double top.
That's right. Yep, absolutely. And that's what we're watching for, right?
Yes, sir. Watching being the key word there.
Yeah.
Coach, what do you think about PLTR?
Because just like right now, I'm not trading anything with this. If this breaks the 21, the 658.60 or this 21, I'll short it. PLTR is still beautiful. I wouldn't touch that thing. I'd let that thing run to the cows come home.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, if you look at it, it didn't consolidate. 181 is support. You see what it was doing right there at 181?
Yeah.
So that's where I'd be. So I'd make sure. Oh, look at this. There's my trade. Son of a bitch. Casket. I just talked about if this breaks the 21, right?
Yeah, but it's stutter stepping. It didn't
Yep.
break and hold it.
Yep, I see it. So what I would do over there, if you guys are in PLTR, I'd make sure that I did not be over leveraged to allow, as long as it stays above 181, which will cost you $1, to make sure I could stay in that trade, right?
Recording in progress.
That was already recording.
Yeah, coach, but if it breaks the 21, it could go down this 177.50 today.
Yeah. So as long as you guys stay above 181 on PLTR, I'd let it run forever. Until it shows you some other level, right? Again, though,
Yes,
scale as it goes so that you're able to allow that range. And as it goes up, you will start to move your stop up. You don't need to give up that much, right? If that gets to $1.83, you don't want to be letting it come to 181. Makes sense? All right, here's the trade. This is what I'm looking for on SPY. Looking to short this down here. A minute. Oh, crap. I don't have a stop. I got to get out. Not playing that game. Crap. Crap. That's a short, everybody. Right? You did exactly what I said on that break of 658.60 to the downside. Damn it. And then I got stopped out. You sucker. Did anybody at least make any quick buck off that scalp below 658.60 down to 658.39? It wasn't a lot.
Nah, I was chicken shit because I knew it was gonna do what it did just now.
Yeah. You're scared.
I knew it.
Yeah, going against the grain, right? Scary.
NVIDIA new higher day.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Palantir 182.70. You guys still okay over there?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There we go. Nice pop. I'll take it.
Just
There,
moving
see?
the stop up.
Yep. See, and I just made up the difference of me trying to go the other way, and now I just made it. There's $100. I'll take it. I'll make it up one way or the other, right? Yeah, it costed me $5 because I went the wrong way. I got stopped out, and I went there. So that would literally costed me $5 because the last trade I made wasn't right. I'll take that risk all day. Looks like somebody is signing up for a mentorship right now, which means I'll have one left. So good luck getting it. Good luck. I won't have any more of those. It's a whole year. I don't have open time slots. So good luck. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. You want to work with me for a year? You better get off your ass and you better go do it now. Thank you. Good luck. May the force be with you and all the things. I wish I could go back in time and get somebody like that. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? I had to figure all this crap out on my own. PLTR is now $1.83. How are we doing over there, PLTR? You guys hanging in there?
Just moving the stop up.
Yep. Good job. Now my stop's at about $1.82, right? Good job. Or whatever your risk tolerance is, not financial tax or investment advice, right? Oh, what do we got here?
Yeah,
on
I was in
SPY?
it yesterday.
Thank you. What do we got here in SPY? Double top? Sure, I'll take it. Oh, come on. I should have let that go a little bit more. Should have let that go a little bit more. Look at that double top pullback. I got a little bit, but I could have had so much more. Look at that. Who's in that double top pullback? Talk to me now. Gosh, that was perfect.
Coach.
Oh
I
my
am.
gosh, it was absolutely textbook, and I had just too tight of a stop. Oh, look at that candle. Well, everybody in this room did it though, right? And if you didn't, I swear I'm kicking your asses out of here. I'm telling you right now, if you did not do that, I'm kicking you out of here. Telling you now, I will kick you out of here.
Cha-ching.
I was in.
Thank you. George, I am in for mentorship. Awesome, George. Just open up a help desk ticket. Go to americandreamtrading.com. Just raise your hand, say, hey, I want one of those. Get over there right now. Who just made a ton of money off a textbook double top pullback? Tell me now.
Coach favorite.
Oh my gosh. It was, oh my gosh. Set up for success. You guys saw me, you saw me get into it, right? And then I just had my stop too tight. Yeah, go ahead.
Coach Frankie, West Palm, hope you hope all is well.
Hey,
I'm
what's
praying for
happening,
you and your
brother?
dog.
Thank you,
Good,
man.
my friend. Listen, I'm trading on my phone and I'm using Webull. The stops are ridiculously hard to put in with the phone. I was wondering, and I'm not an Apple guy, but if I did it on a big iPad, is it easier? Is it easier to set stops with the iPad, or is it just like the phone?
It's the same, but I can tell you this. I do use an iPad Pro 11 when I'm doing my trading. I don't do it off the little phone. I'll use my little iPad to do it because it's just easier to see it, and you still get the chart, and you'll still be able to see things a little bit easier. But here's the thing, and you didn't hear this from me, and I'm not going to say it out loud where everybody can hear me. I have thousands of people watching, so I'm not going to say this out loud. But are you ready to listen?
I'm all ears. I'm like a rabbit.
All right. When I am doing that, because it is too hard to manipulate the stop, I will do extremely small amounts, and there will be no stop. But don't tell anybody I said that out loud, okay?
I didn't hear it, and I appreciate that advice. Thank you.
Yep, absolutely. And the way that I want you to think about it, if not financial tax or investment advice, if you did what I tell you guys to never do, is it better be so small that in the event that it like crashed and burned your soul, it would not hurt that much, right? So
exactly. And you're still feeling you're doing it.
Yeah, absolutely. Got it. Yeah, it's too hard on a mobile to manipulate a stop.
It just is.
It is.
Oh.
So I'll do market buy, market sell, market buy, market sell, market buy, market sell. And if I miss it, flatten. Market buy, market sell, flatten, right? Market buy, market
Yeah.
sell, all day, over.
And so microscopic that it don't
Yes,
matter.
that's correct. Yep.
Or you'll be right more than you'll be wrong. Okay.
Absolutely right. And then when it gets into the runner, you just let it go. And if it starts right, if I see a candle stall, I'm out.
Coach, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate that.
Appreciate you, man. How's the weather over there?
Oh man, it's beautiful. You know what? We get half the day. It's our fall. You know it isn't for our fall. It's gonna rain. It's gonna be sunny like you can't believe it, and then it's gonna turn quick and water all the flowers.
Yeah, right. Every day.
Every day.
Yeah. For a while, I remember that it'd rain every day, right?
Exactly.
Yep.
Coach, I love you from Florida, man. We
Appreciate
appreciate you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
man. Thank you.
Hey, Coach.
Hey, what's
Coach?
up?
Oh,
Yes.
sorry.
On the phone, how I do it on the phone, there's a preset that you can have the stop loss when you do the purchase. You can do 10%, 5%.
Correct.
That's how I do it.
Yep.
Just to protect the trade.
Yeah, absolutely. You could do it that way. And if you are going to do it that way, if you're going to do it that way, here's the problem. It's really hard to manipulate the stop. So what you could do instead of, if you still want to make sure you have your stop, you could have the stop at the time of trade, and then you can use the flatten, which will sell it, right? So that'll kill the stop, and then it will sell it. But the problem is it takes longer because it first has to kill the stop. Then it's going to go in and kill the trade, right? So it's it's risk to reward, right? It's that whole risk to reward situation. Whatever you're able to do. There goes PLTR new high a day.
Thank you.
Yep.
Speaking of PLTR, Coach, in the Zoom chat, we have a question about what is over leverage, when can it happen, and Bucko and I responded.
We had this conversation this morning in VIP. Is it the same person? We had this exact same conversation already in the VIP this morning.
Okay.
Who's asking?
He said if it's going to make you green, shouldn't it be okay? It's Jimmy John.
No, I don't think it was Jimmy. Okay, listen. Over leverage just means you're holding overnight, right? Because you wouldn't be talking about it on a day trade. So I guess, there's a whole lot of caveats to this. But I just discussed this in the VIP this morning. Gang, listen. You should never allow more than 10% of any of your portfolio to be in any individual stock. The only time there's an exception to that rule is if you have things like if it's an IWM, the Russell, or SPY, something that's already diversified, then it's okay to have more than 10% because those have hundreds, if not thousands of stocks in them. But if you are individually over leveraging in a single stock, stop it. Don't do that.
Look at Apple.
Does everybody understand? I hope you guys all understand. Yeah, Apple bounced off VWAP, right? What's the rule, 2-minute EWO riders? Don't get out if it's still above VWAP, right? Nice job. You collect as you go, and you'd probably just still have a runner. And guess what? That A runner could now make new high a day. It could 2, 3x its size, and am I right? Okay, good. Listen, I got to fly because guess what? Somebody has a full mentorship with me. This is the same person, by the way. My mentoree that last week in 2 days made over $100,000 in covered calls. Guess what? Costs $100,000 to work with me for 52 weeks straight. Do you guys think it was worth it or not? He did it in 2 days. Is it worth it or not?
Yes. Worth the price of admission.
Right. So let's go see if I can put another couple $100,000 in his pocket. All right. Love your faces. Everybody have an amazing, blessed day. Let me thank all my moderators real quick. Hold on. Appreciate you all so much for being here. Again, we had a great turnout. We had over 100 YouTubes. And I think we had over 150 constant over there. So thank you very much on TikTok. I don't know how many we had on Twitch, but I appreciate everybody being here. It was a great day. Thank you to my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel Dam, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day, including my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
Go ahead, say it. Love your
I'll
face.
take it. I'll take it. Thank you. Love your faces. Did anybody make any money today? Open your mics. Let the world know.
Green on the day, boss.
Thank you.
Sure did.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
15 straight green days.
Oh, my. Good job. You guys are crushing it. I say we leave with the money
All
train.
because of you, Bubba.
Thank you, guys. Doing a great job. Let's leave with the money train today, shall we? Let's do it.
Good idea, Coach.
Yes. Yes. I'm calling all of my animal friends out of Mark's land. Everybody look to the sky. Look up. Nice. Good job. Everybody have a blessed day. God bless.